Makita ko sa taas. Kinabahan ako mga kachika kasi...
Stay back home.
Okay, later. Don't talk when your mouth is full. Morning mga chika, meron pala akong dito. Nabili ko to online, dalawa tong binili ko dito. Ano ito? Tapos, yung isa. Hindi ko pa tinapon ito. Basta. Ganyan. Ito. So, it's my day off today. Nag-work ako 2 araw. Noong araw pa ngayon. Nakalimutan ko na. Ano bang araw? Thursday. Nag-work pala ako ng Tuesday and Tuesday, Wednesday. Kahapon. Tsaka ng isang araw. Yan. Ipak mo lang siya ganito. Diyan. Tapos, may lalabas na siya. Di, ilubot niya mo. Nakita na.
Mama,
Uy, late na kami ba? Pabanguhan natin para mabango. Late na. 8:35 na. Yes, put that on. It looks like it's gonna rain. Ang dilim mga kachika, no?
We should take the car.
Coming, babe. Let's go, babe. Okay, let's go.
So, no, look at the back.
Okay, this way. Let's go, please.
Okay, where's my...
Flowers.
Yeah, they grow.
Okay, come on.
One. It goes up to this. and
Okay,
then
come on.
up to
I'm gonna be angry. Come on.
this. Angry.
See, you didn't say good morning to Tita Grandma.
Oh, good morning, Titi Grandma.
Oh, is it?
Makita ko sa taas. Kinabahan ako mga kachika kasi nilabas ko yung tortoise namin. Hindi not long, lang. Siguro mga ilang minuto pa lang nilabas ko. Tapos nag-aayos di ako dito. Laki nawala man yung isa. So yung isa na dito na. Yung malaki. Yung malaki yung ano ba? Yung nawawala. Ako nito. Di ko alam kung saan napunta. May anisip ako nagpunta doon sa kapitbahay. Tinignan ko doon sa yard nila. Wala man. Nilagay ko lang yung sila dyan. 2. Diyan ko nilagay. Nawawala. My goodness. Saan kaya nagpunta? Yung mas malaki pa naman yun. Nagot ako nito. Kakahanap-hanap ko mga kachika, pumasok ako sa loob. Dito banda kanina, tinignan ko na to, wala naman. Nandito lang pala mga kachika, oh. Oh, ayan. Diyos ko, pinakaba mo ako. Kasi doon yan sila eh. Ang bilis ng lakad talaga, papunta dito. Ilang minuto lang yun. Ilagay ko sila dyan kasi umaraw eh. Ilabas ko. Tapos hinapan ko doon, hindi din yan siya makakaakyat doon kasi may mga steps. Dito din na side, wala. Tinignan ko lang dyan banda. Alam, bilis ng mga kad. Kasi pag nilalabas, binabantayan talaga to ng mga namin ba? Ikaw, nandyan ko lang pala, ha? You're hiding from me? Ay, nako, pinakaba mo ako. Pinasok ko na yung iba. Ipasok ko na din to kay parang uulan din eh. Pahamak talaga. Diyan ka na lang maglakad-lakad. Ngayon pa yan sila, pinagkakalat yung mga pagkain. Ay, grabe yung kaba ko. Kaya napatilip-silip, pero iniisip ko nga, kasi parang may nasira doon ba? Isip ko, pag nagpunta doon, Tinignan ko din yung nandoon dapat sila sa backyard kay hagdan-hagdan din yung nila diyan ang kapitbahay namin. Baka nakita na ako diyan nagpalisilip-silip na ako kung yung silip-silip ko. Ay, Diyos ko. Sampay sana ako ng mga labahan nandoon na tapos kakain sana ako kasi hindi pa ako kumain. Ano na mga katika 12:50 nandito pa yung pinagkainan din ng mga porridge ng mga bata kanina. Naghiga-higa kasi ako. Nag-idlip ako saglit ba? Kaya nakabihis ako ng damit ni Mister. So nandun din sana yung mga isasampay ko dyan sa sampayan na yan. Tapos nun nga, nung tiningnan ko, sabi ko, bakit wala yung isa? Akala ko nag-ano lang doon sa may gilid kasi yun yung taguan niya lagi dyan. O minsan pumapasok sa mga pot ng, pot nga. Nandyan lang pala. Hindi ko lang ito sasabihin mamaya kay Mister na ipapagalitan ako nito ba. Sana yun, pumasok na pala. Ano ng buhok ko? May parcel na dumating. Tingnan natin. Kasi, ibibigay, binilhan ko si Mr. ng sapatos ba? Parang ano na din. Hindi talaga Father's Day. Parang, kasi magpa-Father's Day na din eh. So, binilhan ko lang siya kasi, wala pala akong card. Ito yung return and exchange form. Itago ko yan siya just in case na hindi ba makasya kay Mr. So, at least pwede ko siya ibalik. Gusto kasi ni Mr. yung New Balance na brand. New Balance ba? Yeah. Ay, ganda. Super gaan. Ay! I thought that it's not yung alam nyo yun yung slip-in lang siya mga kachika ba? Magaan lang siya. Sa ibang website ko to binili mga kachika kasi si Mr. gusto niya yung wide fit, malaki kasi yung paa niya kaya gusto niya ayaw niya yung regular lang ng mga sapatos. Magaan lang talaga siya. Masakit pa mali. Pasukat ko pinamaya sa kanya. Hindi ko alam kung gusto niya or what. Tingnan muna natin. Ito. Magpa-Father's Day na pala sa Sunday. Wala pa akong card. Pala. May time pa pala ako bumili ng card bukas kasi may work ako bukas and then Saturday working ako sa afternoon and Sunday long day. Like it.
Mama, look, apples!
Oh yeah, they got apples again. I always saw that one last year as well, no? In the summertime. How long? What? Why?
It's my blue skirt and
I'm going to order tonight.
order it
Tonight, yeah.
tonight. Okay.
Na? Hoy! Dali na, ay si Alina.
What's the thing? How long it is?
Oh. Okay. That is there. No, that is not there yet.
We'll see. Should we repeat the whole thing? Yeah. Wait, sorry, wait.
Oh my goodness, my good. Earlier, I was very scared because I put the tortoise out because it was sunny. And then I went inside. When I went back, the one is messed.
You're back home. You're back home.
Chiri, 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 chiri.
Oh, that's how long was
Yeah, he's gone. Big one.
big one. Let me check.
She only got one now.
I'm just
Come on, go.
it's not my TV. Can we find them?
No, that is there.
Okay, don't tell the secret.
Very loud music.
Don't tell Daddy about that secret. Okay? I won't tell him.
Yeah.
Daddy, go. Maybe she's in my room.
No, it's not. You didn't go up there. I put outside. Sabi ni Alisa, baka daw in my room yung tortoise. Pininto ko kasi yun na nawala. Buti na nakita ko na lang talaga.
Where's
Eh,
Timmy?
grabe yung kabak kanina ba?
Oh, where's Timmy?
Timmy's there. Okay.
Yeah, well, it's not supposed to be their house.
Yeah, I know. They're very messy. Sakit ng likod ko sa bag na, ang bigat ng bag ni Alina. Whose cardigan is this?
Mine.
Alina, that's for washing. You found it, Lisa?
Huh?
You found it? No?
I was cleaning the pot. I was cleaning the pot,
What is it?
a pot, cleaning the pot.
Where in school?
Yeah, and then suddenly my hands were like full of ink.
Oh.
I was like, this is the time to wash my hands. And then when I was washing my hands, it didn't come off. And then when I was keep washing hard, and then, thank goodness, it's come off. And my friend did it. When my classmate did it, I was like, it was like only here and some here and there. Awful day for school today. It's awful. Jungle and Zanya. What?
Surprise bag. I'll give you surprise bag if you want. Alisa, what's the surprise daw? Hungry for fried chicken. Sinabay ko na lang yung extra food nila at saka sa kanilang dinner. Na fish and chicken. Good fried chicken? Hindi na doon pa nag-lock pa sila ng ng door. There's more chicken.
Come on.
It's not coming. It's ready. It's all cooked. Nice?
Yeah.
Very crispy, no? Nasa Lina. Need to wash your hands.
Oh, I thought we were having chicken.
That chicken and the fish. Because you had chicken last night. I'm talking about fried chicken.
Yeah, you did say chicken.
I'm drinking my...
I was going to tell you something.
Okay, later. Don't talk when your mouth is full. Yan some chicken as well na.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sit down.
I want to try to
Okay, well done.